All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we can find markets that are very uncompetitive. And we're going to do that by looking at the number of images, the number of sellers, as well as we want something that's been pretty consistently selling that doesn't get a lot of reviews. Now, this is going to be great because this is going to show us sellers that have been just crushing it consistently in very uncompetitive markets. And so by having a few number of images, we're going to find people who they're not even optimizing, but they're making money on Amazon. And those are the perfect types of markets or people that that I would go after if I was newer, because that's just going to show me I've gone up against several of them before. And it's really interesting to see that some people are just making millions of dollars and they're not optimizing, they're not doing anything. They just are good at product selection and getting it to market. So we're going to look in with use. So we're going to use Helium 10 to now go find those. So basically what I've done here is just 5,000 a month to 50,000 a month. And I don't really care about review count, but I care about the velocity at which the reviews are coming in. And now the number of sellers we set to 2. Essentially, by doing this, we cut out all the wholesalers, 1 to 2 images, so it's not, we could do 3, so it's not well optimized. And then what we want is a sales to review of 30, because that's going to tell us that the amount of reviews is low, okay? We want a sales to review of 30 because that means that they have like a 3% or less conversion rate on their reviews. So that means that they're not very good at their back end sequence as well as their front end with the listing, but they're still doing well. So that's what I really want to look out for. Now, I'm going to cut a little bit out of this so that we don't get it going too long. So I'm just going to pull up some products now. Also, another product category that I forgot to get rid of was sports and outdoors, because that's oftentimes a lot of clothing and apparel when it comes to doing this method. You miss out on some that could be good sports products, but I'm not a sports guy. Okay, this one looks interesting. 47,000 in revenue and only 6 reviews. Granted, it is more expensive, but that looks like something to go. Oh, it says authorized dealer. Never mind. This checkerboard game looks interesting to me. I'm not sure why it has that many sales and only 5 reviews. Ooh, this one is interesting to me because right here, this is an accessory. And I love accessory sellers because they kill it and they don't really do that much in terms of optimization and whatnot. So those are some good guys to spy on to see. They're very strategic in the opportunities that they go after. Heavy duty clear sheet protectors. Okay, this looks interesting. Okay, this one looks interesting to me. This is a handcrafted magic wand, hand-carved black professor wand. So whoever is sourcing, all right, we're going to go right there. This one gets my interest. Okay, two right here. Let's see what the sales history over time is. Okay, you guys, so look at this. This has been selling for 1 year. And if we take a look at it, it only has 11 reviews. And what is it doing a month in revenue? Okay, about 5,000 a month in revenue. But if we take a look at this, it looks like they had a stock out, but other than that, they were selling pretty consistently. So whoever found this magic wand idea, this is somebody that I want to look into, okay? So what we're gonna do now is, I guess I'll just quickly analyze the other people. Okay, so we have this checkerboard. And I'm just going to use Cerebro here and see what is this checker. Is this a brand play? I mean, it's Pressman Classic Edition checkers board game, but are people really that loyal to, maybe it just looks like a checkers board game is a good opportunity? Yeah, checkers don't really look like the best product opportunity here. The price is just too low. I mean, maybe you could make a premium checker set. It does look like someone's innovating a little bit here, but you know, I guess I'll still take a look in, because this guy is ranking up here. And so I guess I want to see, is this a wholesaler or is this a private labeler? Okay, they haven't been selling that much. Only 42 product ratings. So this isn't the type of person. This is a wholesaler. That's not somebody I'm trying to emulate. Whatever. Let's go back. I guess we'll check these other ones out. Noah Store. These got some type of accessory here. You can see the whole listing is just filled with keywords of what this will work with. Okay, whoa. All right, let's look at this right here. Oh, we might have found one. So this has been selling for 2 years. 2 years. Granted, the ranking has been, or no, the sales, they'll just spike at times and then kind of go down. But this is 2 years and it has how many reviews? 1. This has 1. 1 review in 2 years. So like, this is a pretty crazy opportunity here. I will check the sales statistics on other product research tools just to be sure, because because no tool is perfect. It appears that this thing has for 2 years been consistently selling. At least 1 a day. Even if this was 3 times off, this thing is selling. Okay, and it's probably bringing in some good money for him. So I want to go check this guy out and see what is he doing, because if you can get something where you only get 1 review over 2 years, like how easy you're gonna get. Okay, so this one has been selling all year, and it appears they were selling pretty well. But now they've gone into stock out, and it doesn't appear that they have any. We don't know who the seller is of this. All right, so we clicked on the brand to go see if are the other ones. Okay, Ring Binder Depot appears to be the person. Okay, so let's see now what other products that they sell. Okay, so I honestly have no idea what this is. I'll just check out the sales history on this product though to see what it is. Whoa, look at that, 25,000 in revenue. What is this? Okay, so they clearly took off this year compared to last, but still, if we take a look at this, this is doing some pretty significant revenue, and they don't have too many reviews, and it has been on Amazon for 2 years. Now, I guess the only question I would have is this a brand play? I have no idea who X Garden is, but I would take a look at this Bywater shop because they're the only seller of it, which leads me to believe that they are a private labeler, or they are, let's see, Smoke, Smell Be Gone, X Garden. So they have a couple brands here. So you guys could go and do this methodology with Viral Launch as well, but there is one big drawback, and that is it doesn't allow you to sort by the number of images. And that may change in the future, but as of 6/19/2018 they don't, and that is one of the keys to the success here. But if you did get Viral Launch and you didn't get Helium 10, you can still do it. It just might take you longer to sift through these. Okay, so this is enough for how to find these types of markets. Maybe go and play with the different variables and whatnot, whether you're using Viral Launch or Helium 10. Just make sure to try this methodology out, because you'll never know what you find or learn. So on to that next video.